Hey guys, what's up? It's Keith here, the Fat Yankee. Hopefully you can see me. Yeah, well, what am I talking about? Yeah, of course you can see me. I take up the whole damn screen here. So listen, I got some jerky today. I'm real excited. I got some friends inside my group here that I love to buy different people's jerky. Okay, so I'm gonna give this jerky a shot. This is from Slab of Jerky, and it says thank you from Steph. So I appreciate that. Thank you guys getting this out to me so quickly. It absolutely looks delicious. I got one of each of their flavors here, okay? So this has the nutritional values on it and everything, so which is pretty cool. And they're new, I think, to the jerky business because I was just talking to them the other day, and they said they're bringing the product to market, and I wanted to try it. So it looks absolutely fantastic, okay? So this is their teriyaki flavor. I'm going to do this one right now because I've been munching on my jalapeno honey and cilantro jerky that just came out a little while ago, nice and fresh and hot. So I've been munching on that. I think I'm going to go into like a meat coma here in a few minutes, guys. So listen, here we go. We're going to get into this teriyaki jerky here, and this was a very reasonably priced. It came in. It comes in this nice vacuum packed package. Ooh, smells pretty good too. It's got that get that reddish color, so I'm not sure if there's sodium nitrate in here or not. Liquid smoke, natural preservatives, beef seasoning, sugar. Good job, onion, salt, water, liquid smoke. Okay, so it doesn't say anything about sodium nitrate, but boy, it smells pretty good. It smells pretty good. So I'm gonna cut a slab of this off here and let you guys know how this stuff is, right? This is a teriyaki. Got nice teriyaki flavor. Very good. Yeah, it's delicious. I think there might be one problem with this teriyaki jerky though. It might not be enough. That's the problem. Very tasty. You guys did a nice job. Yeah, nice steak flavor, nice sweetness. That teriyaki. I can taste a little bit, very little bit of liquid smoke, just enough. The flavor profiles in this are delicious. It's got all the right ingredients for a nice seasoned steak, with the teriyaki as the prominent flavor, and you get it all the way through. You get that flavor from the minute you put it in your mouth. You get it all the way through. Doesn't leave an aftertaste or anything. So this is really good stuff, guys. I'm looking forward to trying your other flavors that we got in as well, okay? But I'm probably going to devour this, eat this, and then I'll do another video on the other flavors. But Fat Yankee approved, guys. Fantastic stuff. Keep up the good work, guys. And listen, go check out slabofjerky.com. Give these guys some business. They got 3 flavors. Order one of each. Try them for yourself, okay? Great job, guys, okay? Thanks a lot, and guys, thanks for watching.